Hello everyone, I am back, like I said, with the Transformers Siege War for Cybertron Prowl. Yep. So before I go on with the figure, he looks really good, honestly. He looks awesome. I mean, maybe he can use a little bit more paint, but yes, pretty good. Now, a lot of these Siege figures are allowing me. Okay, look. When I get the right characters, I'm gonna make a stop motion where Starscream, the Constructicon, Megatron, like a lot of the Decepticons kill Prowl, Ironhide, and Ratchet, and Brawn. Search it up on YouTube. Anyway, back to Prowl. So this toy is really cool. Let's just get a closer look at his face. Looks pretty good. Well, I don't have his box. Like, oh my god, it's blurry. Okay, so transforms into a Cybertronian police car. But before I transform him, let's do some posability. Yeah, he has a swivel at the head. He can look up and down. Rotation at the arm, a full 360, but the door wings kind of get in the way, so you just fold them back. Full rotation, arm can move out. This is on a hinge joint due to transformation. Anyway, bicep swivel, bend at the elbow, wrist swivel, waist swivel. I can kick that far and can go back that far, really far. Can do the splits, thigh swivel, bend at the knee, a deep bend at the knee, if I tell you that, deep bend. And finally, a beautiful pivot. Pretty good. And you can pull off a lot of poses with this guy. Just gonna So, yep, that's all the posability he has. And for size comparisons, I'm just gonna bring out a few figures. Hold on. Here's Siege Skytread. Here's Siege Starscream. And Titans Return. Titans Return. Titans Return. Mind Wipe, yep. Anyway, forget them. Let's move on to Prowl's transformation. First, grab the ab section, pull it up. Fold it all the way back, and the top of the hood. Fold it all the way up, and his chest, fold it back. It's kind of like Red Alert. And then fold out the arms, rotate them, and then they will fold into the car. So you want it looking like that. Then for the legs, just fold his ankles up, fold his heels up, peg his legs together, and then right here there's like holes and there's little pegs here, so it'll peg in there. This in, rotate the waist, and then bend the knees all the way you can, like just like this. Yep, and then the door wings, the wings, they peg into here. We'll just peg them into there. And then for the arms, just fold them down. And then for the gun, just take off the lights then it'll peg in right here on the top of the car. Just pegs in, and then the gun you can like put it like this. It can rotate. I just like putting it like that. Anyway, here's car mode, and it's awesome. Honestly, it's awesome. Like kibble. It's only kibble. There's no kibble, only the face. And finally, let's do some size comparisons real quick. Here's Transformers Generation 1 reissue Hot Rod. And yep, that's it. Not gonna do any more size comparisons. Yeah, honestly, Prowl, I mean, he has a few flaws. Like the door wings, they should have been pinned. And, these shoulders are kind of a problem. You just want to put the arms down. Yeah, they're kind of a problem. And, that's kind of it. Besides, oh yeah, he doesn't really stand up all too well. I mean, he does when you get him into the right pose. But, yeah. Anyway, so I'll see you guys later. Oh wait, if you see a Prowl and you have the cash, pick one up. Anyway, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and hit the post notification bells if you want, so you can keep up, so you'll be updated on when I upload. Goodbye.